let's go to the demonstrators. And I just put this footnote here because we've heard about capital and improved value and community indicators, Victoria. It's not often you get two things with the same acronym at the same occasion. So I thought I'd better clarify, just in case you were wondering about CIB. Okay, first of all we heard, I think John went first, so we heard about health. And we heard about the ability to produce maps or where certain thresholds for CIFA or type 2 diabetes or depression were exceeded. You also had obesity and smoking on the slide, but they were greyed out, so I thought they were probably still coming. They're still coming, right, okay. And how those relate to position of health services and tools for support for threshold setting. And actually, a number of John's maps were quite like the map that Nick showed that said we can do better than that. So there's a link already. In terms of walkability, we saw quite dynamically how we can determine the walking catchments to key locations, services again, and the ability to edit the route network and see the result, the what-if outcomes. And the potential to make that whole system more sensitive by including factors like traffic levels and crime and the proper delineation of footpaths and so forth. In employment, tools to support clustering and unclustering, splitting, taking things apart and putting things together, important for understanding the way policies have worked in the past and how policies might work in the future. And finally, housing, which is where the star comes in, because we saw the second CID. And the ability to produce special tools based on land-related administrative factors and still to come demand factors to produce indicators of constraints and opportunities for development. So that's just to remind you of all the different things we've seen this afternoon.